Did you know you can have your kitchen marble tops refinished instead of replacing it? For a fraction of the price of a new one, you can have your kitchen renovated to perfection, saving you thousands of dollars. Check out the amazing results on this kitchen island top refinishing from the Stone Guys, New York. The sanding step in this island top was necessary due to the deep scratches and etching that eroded the marble surface. Note that even though the stone is being sanded, no dust particles are becoming airborne. This is due to the exact expertise of the technician that is applying the correct amount of speed on the hand machine, thus containing the marble dust particles on top of the stone surface. This next step is called honing. The honing process is done with diamond abrasive resin pads. The technician will use a set of diamond grits. On each pass on the stone surface he will change the pad grit from a coarse to a fine grit pad. This step is necessary to remove the scratches left behind by the previous pad. As he steps up the grits, the surface becomes smoother and smoother. Note that the surrounding area is all protected and contained. This is to prevent any splatter from reaching furniture walls, cabinets, or appliances. We take protection very seriously at the Stone Guys, New York. The worst thing that can happen is you, as the homeowner, hire a contractor to fix a problem and leave behind another problem to fix. The technician is starting to polish the stone surface with an eco-friendly compound. This is the first pass of many he will do on the stone. As the project is coming to an end, the technician will inspect and leave everything clean so you don't have to worry about cleaning afterwards. And voila! This kitchen island top is looking better than when it came from the factory. This is the kind of quality we provide at every single project, no matter how big or small. The Stone Guys, New York. You'll be amazed what we can do for your stones.